In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature inside a shape in WPS Office Writer. This tutorial is perfect if you want your documents to look more professional and well organized, especially when adding a signature in a clean and controlled way. By placing your signature inside a shape, you can keep everything aligned properly and avoid messy layouts. To get started, make sure your document is already open in the WPS document editor. Once you are inside the document, click the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Under the Insert tab, click Shapes. You will see several shape options available. Choose the shape you prefer. In this video, we will use a rectangle because it works best as a signature box and keeps the layout simple and neat. After selecting the rectangle, click inside the document to place it where you want the signature to appear. One way to add a signature inside the shape is by using the drawing tool. To do this, click the Review tab at the top, then click Draw. This allows you to sign or create your signature directly inside the rectangle. You can write your signature freely and adjust it until it fits nicely within the shape. There is also another method you can use if you already have an image of your signature saved on your computer. For this method, click the Insert tab again, then click Shapes, and choose Rectangle once more if you need another box. After that, click Insert, then click Picture, and click from File. Now, locate the image of your signature on your computer. Make sure your signature is saved in PNG format so the background remains transparent. Once you find your signature image, click it and then click Open. After inserting it, you may notice that the signature appears behind the rectangle. To fix this, change the wrapping option to in front of text. This will move the signature image above the shape so it is clearly visible. You can now drag the signature into the rectangle and resize it as needed. Adjust both the image and the shape until everything looks balanced and professional. This approach gives you flexibility and control over how your signature appears in your document. If you want to learn more about creating transparent signatures or improving their appearance, you can check out the other related videos available on this channel. That is how you can insert a signature inside a shape in WPS Office Writer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.